Week 3, Day 1.
Talofa tamaiti. Here are some other Samoan phrases we normally use in class.
Repeat after me.
Tu ilunga. Tu ilunga means stand up. Tu ilunga. We use the word tu if one person. Tu means stand. Lunga means up. Lunga. Fa'amole-mole means please. Fa'amole-mole.
Fa'afetai. Fa'afetai means thank you. Fa'afetai.
Okay, we are going to use Sione as an example. Sione, tu ilunga fa'amole-mole. Fa'afetai, Sione. Now you know what stand up means in Samoan.
We say
Tu ilunga. Tu ilunga means stand up. Related